Well, would you look at that? We got ourselves a 2013 Fleetwood Discovery. The model number is 40X. This is a diesel pusher that you absolutely want. It features a 380 horsepower Cummins turbo diesel. This honker's got a massive slide up here on the driver's side, as well as slide toppers and window awnings. Is that an outside TV? Oh yes. Our bridge chassis. This awesome Fleetwood Discovery has not gone to these states. Up to you, folks. Let's do it. All right, walk it in. Oh me, oh my. The driver's seat, the nice leather interior is in terrific condition. Dining table that does extend like so. Look at the size of that TV. That sofa does convert into a bed. It does have the daytime and nighttime shades throughout. Solid surface countertops. Convection microwaves. You can cook that turkey. There's a residential style fridge. Water dispensing, of course. And an ice maker. Oh man, this one's bigger than the one at the house. Okay, outside TV. Yep, we saw it. Only 58,000 miles. TV number 2. TV number 3. All right, this floor plan does have the mid bathroom. Of course, that's a porcelain toilet. This medicine cabinet. We got ourselves a seat in that fiberglass shower. One-piece fiberglass shower, that is. One thing I don't like about this RV, I gotta remember to step up. All right, airbed, king size, opposing windows within that slide for great cross ventilation. TV number 4. You're probably wondering what was behind those doors in the corner of this bedroom. So was I. Let's take a look. A washer dryer, folks! That's right! You can live in this thing! All right. Now we're at the rear of the coach. Here's the closet. And that's where you put your gas money. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Look at the floors. Look at it. Look at it! Well, would you look at that? Sliding tray goes to both sides. You got the pegboard for your tools. The Dirt Devil vacuum system. Catalytic converter. DEF fluid. Don't get those catalytic converters stolen, folks.
If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.